Welcome back to another YouTube video with Rebirth Demon. Today we're going to be unboxing my new mouse that just came in, or keyboard that just came in. It is the Win60. I think it's the HE. I don't really know for sure because it's been like a couple of days ever since I bought it. But here's the first look at it. Oh, okay, so first off we got the instructions, like how to use the keyboard. If you want to see that. What's this? Alright. Okay. This is the keycap, I think. Not sure if y'all can hear that, but pretty thocky. Pretty thocky, I say. Which is actually my favorite type of keyboard. Yeah, this is definitely. Oh yeah. This is the Win60 HE series. But yeah, it's the wooing twin, as people would say. Okay, so we got a switch puller. That's cool. Never really had one of these. Don't really know how they work. How do these things work? I don't know what that is. What is it like? Like using chopsticks? So we got just like a pretty basic cable. These are the switch puller and keycap puller. This is the band that goes on the side of it. Okay, so this right here is like the things that go on the band. Yeah, this is the switch. It's gray. It's made by Leobog, so yeah, like a pretty trusted brand. I'm hoping y'all can hear that. It's picking up, but I don't know if y'all can really hear that. Don't know how loud that is. But now for the keyboard itself. Alright. Never had a keyboard of this such high quality. All my other keyboards have been like $20. But yeah, you can get this keyboard on Amazon for, I think it was like $38, including taxes. So yeah, clear case. But now, ooh, hold on, this thing is like heavy. Ooh. See it, plastic, made of full plastic. This is what the keyboard sounds like. Hold on, I want to see if I can like take off one of these things. So yeah, these things are hoping I didn't break that. But yeah, no, from the looks of it, looks pretty well made. Yeah. I'm actually pretty starting to like the keyboard. Oh, but let me turn this up for y'all all the way. All the way, so y'all can hear the actual keycaps. That's what the keycaps sound like, by the way. But yeah, that's what the keycaps sound like. Here's me typing on the keyboard. I actually like how the spacebar sounds. I actually like this keyboard so far. Really hasn't disappointed me. Not at all. Alright, let's start opening this. But yeah, no, this is a full uncut unboxing of the keyboard. Pretty sure. I'm not really sure. I never really did this. So if you go like that, this thing goes like that. Oh wait, no, I put it on backwards. So I want to do it like this. Pretty sure. Yeah, you want it like that. Okay, yeah. Pretty sure you like. I don't know, guys. This is like a tutorial. Like, this is a fully unboxing, no tutorial at all on how to put this thing together. So I'm going off of what I think is right, which not all the time. Rarely, anytime actually. Sorry, y'all. Sorry. But yeah, no, like. So far, I really like this keyboard. Alright, hold on, guys. Hold on. I wish I could edit videos a little bit. Make this look way easier. But yeah, no, I don't know how to do that just yet. I will learn how to do that soon, though. But yeah, y'all just have to bear with me for right now. But if y'all haven't, please hit that like, subscribe, and comment down below. Trying to gain subscribers, you feel me? Starting a new... I hope I'm not breaking this thing. What is this thing, like, screw into it or what? Like... Man, people make this thing feel like it looks so easy to put together. I'm telling y'all, people make it look so much easier. Alright, second one going in. You wanna know what the sad thing is? I kinda hate my life now. Hate my life choices. Cause yeah, I forgot to fold this thing. But yeah, no, we're definitely gonna be doing some test runs with this keyboard, most definitely. But I don't know if I told y'all yet, but I'm gonna be getting a Logitech G305 Lightspeed, I think. Yeah, I think I'm getting a Lightspeed version. Alright, well there's that on now. Got the thing attached. Fully attached, actually. But I had to have it backwards, so yay. But we should be fine to win. I think we should be fine. Oh well, but yeah. Oh, well. That dropped. Hope I did not just show my face right there. I'll look back over the cord. It's fine. I mean, if I did, it's fine, but like, would rather wait to do a face reveal for when I go like live. How we did this? Yeah, it's fine. I don't really want to take the keycap or the keys off, so. Another good thing about this is that they just like slide right back on. Alright, y'all. Well, I am going to be muting my mic, and I'm going to be switching over to my other mic so we can start the recording of playing some Bed Wars with the new keyboard. Be right back, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Let's turn that down. I think it was at like a 9.8, yeah. Okay. But yeah, y'all, that was the keyboard. Can't really hear it with this thing. But we are gonna unplug our old keyboard. We're actually gonna try to I wonder, was my old keyboard hot swappable? Oh, that's my bad, y'all. I'm so sorry about that. Oh, so this keyboard was very poorly made. This is what the I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's what the keycap was. So very, very poorly made. But yeah, nah, y'all, like, pretty nice and easy setup. But nah, I do gotta unplug this now. Unplug this. Alright, y'all, so what that was my cord scraping across the mic, the boom arm. It was like really loud. My bad, y'all. Wish I could edit so I can get this all done like fast and not be like such a long video. I probably am only gonna play like 1 or 2 games with it, but nonetheless, I am gonna be playing games. But yeah, no, nonetheless, I am gonna be playing like, if not one, I'll do more. Oh my gosh. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna try to change the color real quick. Hold on, y'all. You got to give me a second. Um. Um. Yeah. Y'all are just gonna have to give me. Actually, hold on. We'll just play with it for right now. But yeah, let's hop. Now I would need just like a new. So out of 8 games, we won 3 of them. Let's try to get a win with our first. Well, let's just try to get a win our first game with the new keyboard. I might play back because I don't have my thing where I usually have it. Oh, did I drop that too late or too early? Alright, so they're both on my thing. Brother, this guy stinks. Hold on, I'm seriously finna go whoop him now. Let's buy that. Wait, y'all, what? Huh? Well, GG, y'all. Well, I'm not gonna stay on for too long because the video is gonna be too long, but there's the video with the Win60He series. It was a cool keyboard to work with. I will definitely be using this in every video now. But yeah, thank y'all for the support. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Comment down below Wooting Twin if you do watch these videos. Come on, nah, comment down below, please. Alright, just kidding. But y'all have a good day. Thanks for y'all support. Peace. That was Rebirth Demon.